for Amazon Basic 60-inch lightweight tripod. Please stay tuned. Hello everyone and welcome to Pro Tech Station. It's great to see you all. So ever started my YouTube channel, I started with LED lights and also with lavalier microphones. If you are curious of what light or microphone that I use, please feel free to check out my other videos about the LED lights that I use and the microphone. After shooting a few sets of video, I figured it's really time for me to get a tripod. Before getting this tripod, I was using boxes to level up my camera. And after a while, it does get pretty tiring, uses boxes to hold my camera. And it also limited of how I can film my other videos. So I went ahead to Amazon and start searching for tripods. And once again, I do not want to spend a fortune on tripods because they ranges from 20 bucks to a few $100s. So after searching for a very long time, I decide what the heck, I just get the Amazon brand. It's the Amazon Basic tripod and start to use it to see how well does it go and how well does it work out for me. Maybe throughout time I will upgrade something more advanced, but for now I think a basic tripod will work for me as of current, but I don't know yet. So please stay tuned for my review and testing to see will this tripod fit for my current usage. By the way, there will be a link on the bottom of the description. If you're curious or interested or would like to know more about the product, please feel free to check it out. So this is the packaging, and without further ado, let's open it and check out what does this tripod comes with. So the tripod is, it says lightweight, but it's still kind of heavy, but not like too heavy that it will break your back, but it is kind of heavy, you know. But the title advertised as lightweight, so I would assume the other more professional tripod will be much more heavier. So this tripod comes with a carrying bag, so you can dump it in the bag and, you know, take it wherever you want to go. So it's a 3-leg tripod. So it comes with 2 bubble view levels. So you have a good idea to use this as a measurement to level your shot to make sure it is level. And here is the quick release mounting plate. So you can quickly release from the camera and start manually shooting. And once you're done, you can quickly snap it back into the tripod, which is a very standard convenient feature. This standard tripod is suitable for digital video and standard still camera. And the extendable height for this tripod is from 25 inches all the way to 60 inches, which is pretty tall for the tripod. And the weight of this tripod is 3 pounds. Please stay tuned for the pros and cons conclusion for this product. We'll get into that very shortly. Meanwhile, if you like the video, please
feel free to leave a comment below and hit the like button if you like the video, which helps and support the channel big time. Also, please hit the subscribe button and bell notification if you wanted to stay tuned for any future videos. And last, if you like the video, please also feel free to share this video to families and friends, which I am very greatly appreciate for spreading the word out.
Now for the feedback of the pros and cons of this tripod. We'll start with the pros first. The first pro for this tripod will be pricing. For $20-some for the build quality, I think it's pretty good. It feels pretty sturdy. So I think the pricing is a really good starting point for beginners. And the second pro of the tripod will be the build quality. For the price that you're paying, I think the build quality is pretty good, you know. So the final pros of this tripod, I think it gets the job done for beginners. And now here comes the cons of this tripod. So the cons for this tripod is not for professional user. It's more like a beginner's tripod. So it doesn't have all the features or functions of a pro grade tripod, but it's really more for beginners. So that's why the labeling is correct. You know, it's an Amazon Basic. So this is really a basic tripod. And another cons for this tripod is the panning is not that smooth for video. So if you start panning, it's sometimes kind of jerky. It's not really too smooth. So if you're doing video while panning, it might not be as smooth. And the final cons of this tripod, it's not the most durable tripod. And now the biggest question is, Will I be keeping this tripod to use it for shooting more videos for my channel? And the answer is yes. Even though it's not a professional grade tripod, and it's not the best and smoothest and most durable tripod, but overall, for the price that I am getting and for the total package, I think it's a great start for me to use it for the channel. It really helps out doing a lot of the planted shots that I need. So from now on, all of my future videos, I will be using this tripod to shoot all my videos. Feel free to leave a comment below and hit the like button if you like the video, which really helps support the channel big time. If you like the video, please feel free to share this video to families and friends, which I'm greatly very appreciate. You can also follow me on Facebook and Instagram. Links will be on the bottom description. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. For Amazon Basic, after doing, ever since I started my YouTube channel, I started out with